Hi, today in this video I'm sharing with you the boho decorating ideas with beautiful colors. You would see when you will see it, even when you will keep watching the video, you would see that these are amazing color combination. Beautiful colors has been used, and they have been used beautifully. Almost each and everything is so colorful that it just give very good feelings, even only by like looking at them. Very colorful, very beautiful, each and every one, each and every picture. Whoever have done this work, it is amazing work. So I'm sharing these with you guys, just with the hope, with the intention that if you want to add colors in your home, so these pictures, this video will definitely help you a lot. It will give the ideas. It will give the You can take the ideas from this very video of different color combination, of using different colorful items to add color to your own home, to your living room, bathroom, whatever place you want to, because there are so many amazing color combinations and everything is there. So I hope you guys would like them. So thank you for watching. Thank you.